What's up, content creators? I'm Brad, and my wish for you all is to grow your channel and become massive successes on the platform, and it starts with tiny steps that over time will lead to big results, and here is one of them. I was looking for a way to share my channel with my friends and family and non-invasively ask them to subscribe, and that is when I discovered the auto subscribe pop-up where YouTube does the asking for me. There's no way that's gonna work. I tested this last weekend for you all to see the success that you can have by DMing a small sample size of some of my friends, and look how my subs grew. Using an auto subscribe link on your YouTube is awesome. Awesomely? Awesome? Okay. How about clever and subtle way to boost your subscriber count? Sadly, it has been reported to not always work correctly on mobile or IoT devices. You can use this link anywhere that you would share your regular YouTube URL. Not to worry, the process is super simple. Surprisingly, many people don't even know that their YouTube channel even has a URL. After you have logged into YouTube, tap on your profile picture on the top left. Next, in the address bar, you will see youtube.com/channel/a series of letters and numbers. This is your URL or unique address on YouTube, your property. You may or may not see a question mark. If you don't, add the question mark after the series of alphanumerics. I'm not sure if that's a word. Alphanumerics? Is it alphanumerical? Alphanumeric? You know what I mean. So you're gonna type question mark sub underscore confirmation equal 1, or replace what it says after the question mark with sub underscore confirmation equal 1. Then copy and paste the entire link to a file and save it on your desktop. Now you can share this unique link, and whenever someone visits, they will be prompted to subscribe to your channel, and most people will. If they click cancel, don't worry, the cookies created with this tag will remind them to subscribe each time that they come back to your channel or videos. This is what I mean by doing a little every day, because I want you all to grow. Now share your link worldwide and reach the maximum results that you can. You can share this link in your email signatures, as your website URL on social media, with friends and family via SMS when they ask what you've been up to. We're not done yet. Stay tuned for a pro tip. Let's take a quick break. Welcome back to my channel, where I show new YouTubers how to grow a channel with a new video every Sunday. Be sure to click on the red subscribe button below and tap on the notifications. Remember to have fun and love your journey. Now back to the video. I want people to be able to find your channel easily, so you got to try this out. You can create a customizable YouTube URL if you have 100 or more subscribers. I don't even have 100 subscribers. Instead of those random letters and numbers that you saw before, you can change it to match your channel name. If you are still logged into YouTube, click on your picture on the top right again, then click on Advanced Settings on the left. Next, where it says Custom URL, click on Claim It here. You will be prompted to choose the best suited, then click on Change URL. If you are not happy with the choices provided, you would have to change your channel name by clicking Cancel, click on Account on the left, and Edit on Google. A new page will pop up, and click on your name, then the Edit button. Change your name, then tap Save. Go back to YouTube and repeat step 1. I want your channel to be optimized for the new year. You can now add question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1 to your new URL for a more professional appearance, and it will look like this. Another pro tip, you can replace that long URL using a much shorter address with a URL shortener service to not only create a shorter and cleaner looking web address, but also to see the analytics on how much traffic your auto subscribe link is generating. I'm not paying for anything. Some URL shortener services are free, especially if you only need to shorten a few web addresses. There is so much more great things in store for your channel, and you deserve more subscribers. Tap on the following card or look in the description box for the link to watch this must-see video next about getting your first 250 subscribers or your next 250 subscribers. You are only as good as your last video, so for every new video that you produce should be a little bit better than the one before it. I will see you in the next video and in the comments.